You know what's fascinating about manifestation? Everyone constantly talks about the doing, the strategies, the techniques, the constant push. But what if I told you that the biggest shifts actually happen in moments like this? Moments of presence, moments where you're learning how to be. I know this because I've been living it. Over the past few years, I've been helping clients manifest things from love to starting their business to growing their confidence to tapping into abundance. But here is why my approach is very different from what you hear about manifestation out there. It's not about adding more to your plate. It's about becoming. When I started this journey, I came from a world of structure and strategies. I have a master's in public policy and I've done years of Christian ministry. I was a campus ministry leader for many years. I learned to understand both practical and spiritual sides of manifestation and creation. But it wasn't until I discovered how to bridge those two worlds that everything really changed for me. Let me share this story with you. 2019 was the first time I came across the law of assumption and manifestation, and I was learning how to manifest my specific love at the time. But I didn't realize at first that the journey was actually going to be about me tapping into my personal power and my ability to create my reality more intentionally. And that year, for many months, nothing was happening in my circumstances, guaranteeing to me that my manifestation, the techniques I was trying to use, the coaches that were helping me were actually making any difference. But I noticed that there were some powerful inner shifts that were happening, and I learned not to measure my success for my manifestation by looking at what was happening in my circumstances, but instead by looking at what was happening within myself, in my identity. And here is what's beautiful. That same lesson I learned in 2019 is showing up in an entirely different way this year for me. It's going deeper and making so much more sense for other areas of creation for me. I was sitting in my space of creation, my quote unquote office, on my couch, and I was reflecting, processing, understanding deeper and deeper truths, and going through some of my studying of the laws of the universe. And this powerful shift dropped within my soul. I suddenly recognized the value of all that I was being and not just what I was doing. It became so clear to me that presence is at the core of this journey to co-create what we desire with the universe. And I know all this has been coming from the fact that I've been tapping into the power of presence, and I've been also anchoring confidence deeper than before while learning to integrate the past, present, and future versions of me and allowing the flow of it to come in and out, to ebb and flow the way it wants to. All of this is coming from what I call the Sacred Recognition series that I created this year. The meditation series that goes through some of the most powerful manifestation sequences that I've tapped into. And so far, I've led a 30-minute meditation for rooted presence, another 30 minutes meditation for anchored confidence. And last Sunday, I led the integrated flow meditation. We're coming up this Sunday. We're going to do absolute love. Let me tell you, absolute love ties it all together so powerfully, because that's exactly what I've been tapping into this way. Because the laws that I teach, the things that I teach are coming from an experiential place, not just me listening to what people are teaching out there only. I do use a lot of what I learn, a lot of what I study from the law of assumption and the laws of the universe, but my own experience informs it so much. Absolute love is going to be one of the most masterpieces of creation I'm gonna create ever. I'm so excited for it. And if you want to be part of it live, you can go to the link in my bio and sign up for the whole bundle, all 4 of the meditation, or you can just sign up for this upcoming one. You see, absolute love brings together everything that you desire to create and manifest in your life, whether it's success in your business or getting started in your business or tapping into confidence and abundance and manifesting love. Because the version of you who has the universe where you are experiencing all the things you desire, it doesn't come without you. It comes with who you are, so you cannot self-abandon and hope to get the things you desire in your life. It's what I experienced in 2019 when I finally manifested the love I want. It's what I'm currently experiencing and going deeper in when it comes to what I'm creating, whether it's in my business or being there for my clients, supporting them to tap into their own power to create their reality they desire. And this Sunday, I'm doing it through a meditation, just like I've been doing the past 3 Sundays, because so many times we want to rush into understanding it from an intellectual, logical place first. And I'm doing the meditation because I want us to tap into the embodiment of it, to feel it in our body first. As I was preparing for this week, Absolute Love Meditation, holy cow, I had this 10-minute power nap that felt so good when I woke up from it. I could not stop telling myself, holy cow, it feels so good to feel good. And it was the same feeling but deeper that happened in 2019 when the shifts were occurring within me, and soon after my manifestation started flooding to me so quickly. Whether you've been part of the whole Sacred Recognition series that I have, or this is going to be your first time, we're going to meet you right where you are. And if you want to tap into the other meditations, they're also available. You can get the whole bundle, or you can just come into the Absolute Love and check it out for yourself. This is your invitation to experience your power to create your reality through this deep self-love, self-acceptance, and the softening of your heart for who you are and the things that you're creating. You can find the link in the description below or in my bio, or you can just write a comment if you want me to send it directly to you. I'm so excited to share this space with you. If you have any other questions and you want me to create a video around it, let me know. I'm excited to tap more into being here on YouTube in 2025. I can't wait to guide you this Sunday. Let's make 2025 the year where we start manifesting and create the reality we desire from a place of absolute love. Thank you for being part of it. I hope to see you next time.